Konnichiwa. Hello, my name is Mayumi Wright. I'm your host for Taste Prep. Each show, I will walk you through some of my favorite recipes that I know you will enjoy. If you love food as much as I do, you will want to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome to Taste Prep. We have new episodes coming up every Monday, so please be sure to check back on us. Today we're making ABC pudding. ABC stands for avocado, banana, and cocoa powder. This is so easy to make and I'm sure you will enjoy it. This is what you need for making ABC pudding. 1 ripe avocado, 4 ripe bananas cut into small pieces, and then 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. First, we're going to cut avocado. I'm going to make sure this is soft avocado. If it's bruised, too soft, don't worry, everything goes into the blender. So I'm going to put this in the blender like so. And once it's done, you won't believe that this is made with avocado and banana. It is really good. One of my favorite dessert recipe. Now the banana goes in here. Four bananas. So this is for serving for 4. And then I'm gonna start by mixing it first. Going to start to add cocoa powder. And there we go. Almost ready. I'm gonna scrape off the edge. Make sure they are all blended well. One last mix. And that's it. I'm going to put it in a bowl. It's a little runny, so you may want to refrigerate it for about an hour before you serve. then I'm going to add bananas. And cocoa powder, just to garnish. Light touch. And also cocoa nibs. I always like to add cacao nibs. Just give you a chocolate chip flavor and texture. And then that's it. Very easy to make. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. さよなら。